Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Ninja 400 lightweight sport bike. Fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in showroom condition. We should probably price it higher. Only 4,500 miles. Got an awesome sounding Leo Vinch exhaust. It's got tank knee pad tape for grip. Showroom condition. $49.99. Come on by, make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $49.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.